Happy good morning. Where's Sunny?
Good morning!
Hey, what are you doing in your Easter basket?
I was going to play hide and seek, but there's no Easter grass to cover me up.
Where's our Easter grass?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Hey, let's make our own.
Great idea, Sunny.
Yay, let's get started.
We'll begin by making our homemade Easter grass using a green produce bag. These usually can be found in your organic produce section, or you might find darker green bags at your local farmer's market or produce stand. Fold the bag in half over and over until it's about an inch wide. Trim off the bottom seam and begin cutting small strips. You can make them thick or thin.
It's so staticky.
Yep, just like real Easter grass. Once that's all done, cut your pile in half and start fluffing up the strips. Many grocery sacks only come in brown, white, or gray colors, but that's okay. We can still use them by painting on them. Just a side note, I keep all my bags folded like this, and I had no idea that I had grabbed the one from Joann's.
I guess it was meant to be used.
That's right, Sunny. I think it was meant to help us with this craft. I tested this method using both matte and satin acrylic paint. In the video, I'm showing what it looks like with the satin paint. I painted 2 thin layers on the front side and 2 on the back side. 1 or 2 coats would do, but I wanted a darker look for this type of grass. Here's the difference when it's all finished between the matte and satin paints. The matte painted grass was very flaky. I would not recommend this one.
Remember, not all Easter grass is green.
What? Not all grass is green?
Nope. What about Kentucky bluegrass?
All right, that's true. Okay, we'll try that one because we just happen to have a blue grocery sack. Continue the same process here as we've done before.
What if you don't have a plastic bag to use?
That's okay too. You can use any plastic packaging to create your own Easter grass.
Oh, I just love the yellow color.
I knew you would, Sunny. I cut out all the yellow parts of the packaging and trimmed off any words or other colors. Here's a look at all the different types of plastic Easter grass. The light green and blue both feel and look exactly like Easter grass you'd find at the store. The satin painted Easter grass actually looks more like real grass, so if you want a more natural look, choose this one.
What if you don't have any plastic bags to use?
That's okay, we can also use paper bags. To begin, I'll show you what it looks like when using a paper shredder. You can use any type of paper, even scrapbook or construction paper, to make this type of Easter grass. Next, I used another bag and cut it into strips using scissors. Depending on how much you fold, crease, and cut widthwise, you can make several different looks using this technique. This is how I made the different styles of large, medium, and small textured Easter grass. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the different styles.
These would make a great bird's nest.
Ooh, Sunny, I like that idea.
What if I need just a little bit of Easter grass?
If you're looking for some miniature Easter grass, it's best to use satin ribbon.
Ribbon? Really?
Yep, the secret is to find the horizontal thread that holds the ribbon together. Once you can pull it freely, you can unravel the whole spool of ribbon this way. Since we're going to use this type of Easter grass for small projects, I'm only unraveling this ribbon about 8 to 10 inches. Depending on your Easter project or decorative display, you can always add more ribbon. This technique works even on the satin ribbon with the decorative edges.
Wow, that's so cool!
Not only can you use the ribbon lengthwise, but you can use the strand you pulled too. I really like its texture. This type of Easter grass is great for your teeniest, tiniest Easter projects. My mom made these little beaded chicks, and I just love how the little bits of ribbon look like a real mini bird's nest.
have a lot of yarn. Can we use yarn too?
Brilliant idea, Sunny! Begin by cutting the strands of yarn into 12-inch strips. For this demonstration, I'm cutting 40 strands and putting them together in groups of 5. This makes it more manageable to work with the yarn. Start by unraveling each strand. I'm using a 4-ply yarn, so it takes more time than a 2-ply. Next, I'm using a nail brush to comb through the strands.
It's so fluffy.
I love the fluffy look too. You can brush as much or as little as you like depending on the texture you're looking for.
Can we make another type of Easter grass yarn?
Sure, how about some yellow grass?
Ooh, I like that.
To dye your white yarn yellow, we'll use some tea with turmeric. Before beginning, cut your strands into 12-inch pieces and then place them into the tea water. Here's what the yarn looks like after about an hour in the turmeric tea. I continued to let the strands soak for around 12 hours, but they didn't get any darker. Place them on a paper towel to dry before using. Again, tie them together in groups of 5 and unwind each strand.
I love the pale yellow color.
Yeah, the soft pastel color is really pretty. This time we're leaving them unraveled and not brushing them out. The texture looks really cool like this. Here's what one group of strands looks like when used for a miniature display.
Oh, what darling bird's nests.
When I was a kid, we didn't have Easter grass.
Oh, come on.
Alright, I know what you're thinking, but instead of using the plastic Easter grass, my mom found this colorful fluff at a craft store. We can no longer find it, so we're going to go ahead and make our own using Poly-Fil, acrylic paint, and a foam brush. Begin by dabbing a small amount of paint on the Poly-Fil. Continue brushing the fluff until it's completely covered.
Oh, pretty nails.
Oh yes, so pretty and pink. Set aside to dry. Next we'll do the same with the light purple color. At this point, I didn't care how messy the project was and I started using my hands to press the paint into the fluff. I think this helped better saturate the inside of the Poly-Fil. This is messy, but it's not really that bad. Time for a second coat. I know what it looks like right now, but trust me, it turns out really cute when it's all dry. I really like how these two colors look when they're combined together. Okay, Sunny, this should be enough Easter grass to play in for hide and seek. Go hide!
Okay.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you a very happy Easter. Can you find Sunny? Let's see if we can find Sunny together.
Happy crafting!